Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox Account Manager fail to launch. So if you're having issue with the Roblox, then what you need to do is first of all, you could follow these steps. So you could exit out of this tab and here you want to locate Roblox, or first of all, you could check is that click on show hidden icon. And here if you see Roblox, you want to click or right click and go to exit. Then, once again at the bottom of the page, click on taskbar settings, click on task manager, and this window opens up. So here, if you see any sort of applications or any sort of file relating with the Roblox, you simply want to make sure to right click and click on end task. Do the same thing with the rest of the other file, and you've completely closed this up. Now restart your PC. That should be able to solve your issue. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you could do is the other thing. You also want to make sure to locate RobloxPlayerBeta or Roblox Player. So here you want to type in Roblox and right click, go to open file location. Over here, select Roblox Player, double click or just right click on the mouse and go to properties. When you go to properties, you want to make sure to go to compatibility, and here you want to make sure that run this program in compatibility mode as well as run this program as an administrator selected. Click apply, click OK. This should be able to fix. Despite doing all the procedure, if nothing works out, then the last alternative is to simply go ahead and uninstall. So for that, you want to type in control panel, open up control panel, go to uninstall a program. Once again, uninstall a program, locate Roblox, and right click and click on uninstall. This is going to help you out to fix. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.